Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let P be a matrix of order 3 cross 3 such that all entries in P are from the set minus 1, 0, or 1. Okay. So, look at this how we will try to solve this problem. So, suppose that matrix P is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. So I will focus on the determinant. Why? Because we have to find out the maximum value of determinant. So determinant of P will be what? A times EI minus FH minus B times DI minus FG plus C times DH minus EG. Now, for time being, I'll open this bracket. So, AEI minus AFH minus BDI plus BFG plus CDH minus CEG. Okay, now what I will do, I will put a like positives together and negatives together. So A E I plus B F G plus C D H. So this is here and this is here. A F H B D I minus C E G. Here it should be plus. Okay. Now look at this. If you will observe this box, we have already discussed, it contains all the elements of matrix P. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So it has all the elements, correct? And this also having all the elements. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so they are having all the elements. So can I say that using the element minus 1, 0 or 1, this can also will become what? Minus 1 by certain combination, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. It can become minus 1. It can also become 0 if any one of them is 0. It can also become 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so similarly all things this can become 0, minus 1, plus 1. Also you know that like sum of box 1, like product of box 1, you remember this thing, product of box 1 is equal to product of box 2, product of box 2. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now this is three numbers. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So using these three numbers you can have what? You will use product na. So product will be either 0 or it will be 1 or it will be minus 1, correct? Here also product will become 0, 1 or minus 1. Okay, now look at this. Suppose that I want 0, so this has to become 0 and it will consume anything, so it will become 0. Here also it will become 0 product. So 0 minus 0 will become 0, but we want maximum now. So this entity has to become maximum so that you can subtract a little bit and then at the end you will get the maximum marks, correct? So suppose it is product is 1. So if product is 1, you can go with 1 plus 1 plus 1. Look at this. So here also product is 1 only. Now you have to subtract. Here also you have to make sure that the product is 1. And look at this. If you wish to have product as 1, you can use 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this thing will become 3 minus 3 0. You will not get maximum, correct or wrong? So what I will do, I will use two things to be negative. Here also it is product is 1, correct or wrong? So if product is 1, this is okay. Now if you'll observe this thing gone, and 3 minus 1 minus 1 will become 4. So you got this thing as 4. Now suppose that you will make this thing as 1 using some other combination, means minus 1 plus 1. So here you can make 1 by using 1 1 1, or you have to use two things to be negative, minus 1 plus 1. Now look at this thing gone, so you got minus 1. This thing, sorry, this thing gone, you got minus 1, minus will become plus, and this thing will become 1 minus 1 0. So it will become 0 for one combination. You can also go with minus 1. So if you wish to make minimum, you should go with minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. And here also you have to make minus. Correct? So according to me, the maximum value of determinant would be 4. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.